carried us away. Captivity required from us a song. How can we sing King Alpha's song in a strange land? Sing it aloud. Sing the song of freedom, sister. Sing the song of freedom, brother. I'm gonna knock on your door, ring on your bell, tap on your window too. If you don't come out tonight when the moon is bright, I'm gonna knock and tap and ring until you do. I'm gonna knock on your door, ring on your bell, call out your name, you'll see. If you don't come out tonight when the moon is bright, I'm gonna knock and tap and ring until you do. Hey little girl, this ain't no time to sleep. Let's count kisses instead of counting sheep. Oh, can I hold you near when you're out there?
And I'm down here.
I'm gonna knock on your door, ring on your bell, tap on your window too. If you don't come out tonight when the moon is bright, I'm gonna knock and tap and ring until you do. Hey little girl, this ain't no time to sleep. Let's count kisses instead of counting sheep. Oh, can I hold you near when you're out there?
And I'm down here.
I'm gonna knock on your door, ring on your bell, tap on your window too. If you don't come out tonight when the moon is bright, I'm gonna knock and tap and ring until you do. I'm gonna knock and tap and 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 ring until you do. I'm gonna knock and 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 ring until you do. I'm gonna ring and knock and ring and knock and ring and knock and knock and ring and ring and knock and knock until you do. I'm gonna knock and 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 ring until you do.
What do you want to make those eyes at me for? If they don't mean what they say, they make me glad, they make me sad, they make me want a lot of things that I never had. You're fooling around with me now. Where hell you lead me on and then you run away. Ah, but that's alright, I'll get you alone some night. And baby, you'll find you're messing with dynamite. What do you wanna make those eyes at me for? If they don't mean what they say. What do you wanna make those eyes at me for? If they don't mean what they say. They make me glad, they make me sad, they make me want a lot of things that I never had. You're fooling around with me now. Where hell you lead me on and then you run away. Ah, but that's alright, I'll get you alone some night. And baby, you'll find you're messing with dynamite. What do you wanna make those eyes at me for? If they don't mean what they say. You're fooling around with me now. Where hell you lead me on and then you run away. Ah, but that's alright, lot of world to see. Wherever the same rainbow sing, waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend, Moon River and me. Moon River, wider than a mile, I'm crossing you in style. Someday, dream maker, you old Lord's breaker. Wherever you're going, I'm going my way. To drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. Wherever the same rainbows waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend, Moon River and me. Oh, yeah. Moon River, yeah. Talking about the river, yeah. Moon River, Moon River, yeah. Take the ribbon from your hair, shake it loose and let it fall, laying soft upon my skin, like the shadows on the wall. Come and lay down by my side till the early morning light. All I'm taking is your time. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday's day and gone, and tomorrow is out of sight. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't care who's right or wrong. I don't try to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Lord, tonight I need a friend. Yesterday's day and gone, and tomorrow is out of sight. And it's sad to be alone. Help me make it through the night. Help me make it through the night. Help me make it through the night.
Hello, what's your name?
Dread?
Not Judge Dredd.
Yes, that's right.
Oh, I've always wanted to meet you.
Oh, really? Why?
Well, I'm a really big fan of yours.
That's very nice of you to say that.
Is it true?
Is what true?
What they say about Big Nine?
Well, I think you'd better have a look for yourself.
Oh, it's true. It's true. Come on, Dredd, get them off.
No, what do you take me for?
Come on, don't be shy.
Easy.
Now, doesn't that feel better?
Oh, yes. Those bloody boots were killing me.
Here, look at this.
Oh, my God. I don't believe it.
Oh, come on, touch it.
You must be bloody joking. You're not even a proper woman. You're a geezer dressed up. You're one of them trends.
Oh, now listen here. This is no bloody 74.
Oh no! Every time I come out, every bloody time, it always ends up in silly. I'll tell you what, I'll give you bloody love. Take that, go on. Piss off. Oh, I don't know. Oi! Take your sodding handbag with ya.
You sheltered me from harm, kept me warm, kept me warm. You gave my life to me, set me free, set me free. The finest years I ever knew is all the years I have with you, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my own, and I would give anything I own just to have you back again. Is there someone you know that won't let you go, and taking it all for granted? You may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and you don't hear a word they say, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my own, and I would give anything I own just to have you back again, just to talk to you words again. If there's someone you know that won't let you go, and taking it all for granted, you may lose them one day, someone takes them away, and you don't hear a word they say, and I would give anything I own, give up my life, my heart, my own, and I would give anything I own just to have you back again, just to talk to you words again, just to hold you once again, just to talk to you.
Whoa, I'm watching you, baby. You can dance, every dance for the guys. Gives you the eyes, let him hold you tight. You can smile, use every smile for the side. Gives you the eye beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who is taking you home, and in his arms you're gonna be so safe. gives you the eye, let him hold you tight. You can smile, cause every smile for the guy who gives you the eye beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who is taking you home, and in his arms you're gonna be. So save the last dance for me. Whoa, save the last dance for me. Save the last dance for me.
While the choir sings Ave Maria, I was singing with all my heart, and I'll say a special prayer up to heaven that you'll return to me before I fall apart. While the choir sings hallelujah, I was singing with all my heart, and I'll say a special prayer up to heaven that you'll return to me before I fall apart. While I wait here for the answer that you come back to me right away. But if you stay away another hour, I don't think I could learn to love again. While the choir sings hallelujah, I was singing with all my heart. Darling, please come back and never leave me again, and this will be the answer to my prayer, and this will be the answer to my prayer.
When will I see you again? When will we share precious moments? Will I